Hello and welcome to another video about Obvia.js, where we actually introduce and talk about the components more in depth. So in this video we will actually be talking about the image component, how it works and what you can do with it. So when you are developing a website, you of course need to put some logo or some image or some photo there. And this is actually the component which allows you to do exactly that. So if you go to the Obvia.js webpage, you can check more details about the properties and about the JSON, which we will actually be looking more in detail and see what it does. So as you can see here in our JSON, we can see that we have a constructor that says image, and what happens here is that the image takes a source which the user gives as a URL and displays it in the web page. So since we have the source about the Obvia logo, what is displayed here is this image. And if we open it in a new tab, we can check that it is exactly the same URL. What we can also do here that I have not added in the JSON yet is that we can actually resize this image in order to display it in the web page. Usually when you have a web page, you don't want to just put the image there, but you actually want to resize it in order to fit the web page actually. So what we can do here is we can add these two parameters which are called height and width. In this case I have changed the parameter height to 96 and the parameter width to 84. So if we go here and we actually do a hard reload for the website, we can see that the logo has been resized in the exact parameters which we gave. So what happens here is that the image itself does not get resized. If we open it in a new tab, we can see that the parameters are still the same. We open it and you can see it's still the same exact image. However, when it is displayed in our potential website, we can see that it is displayed in its resized form. Here you can of course put any sort of parameters and the image will be displayed just exactly the way you want it. If we can see, for example, also when we put another image, I will go here and select this image from the Obvia website, which is the image we use for the label. We can go here, we can change the URL, and we can go to the website, we can give it a hard reload, and as you can see, it is the image of the label resized at the exact parameters because we have the width and the height set. If we remove it once again, the image displays in its original size and original height and original width. This is pretty much the video. Thank you very much for following us and see you in the next explanation videos. Thank you very much.